Good morning guys! Dito ko dito sa Ho Chi Minh City. Maaga kaming umalis ngayon kasi mag-city tour kami. Around 7 a.m. on the way na kami papuntang city proper. Estimated travel time, mga 45 minutes kasi baka traffic. Pero pag swerte, kaya ng 20 to 30 minutes. Let's see! Grabe, ang dami talagang motor dito. In Saigon, halos lahat ng tao may motor. It's their main way to travel. Fast, flexible, and perfect for the city's busy streets. So, if you visit Vietnam, expect na motor ang magiging soundtrack ng city life. It's part of the culture, part of the adventure. Quick tip for Pinoy traveling in Vietnam. Yes, you can use your BPI debit card to withdraw cash. Reminder lang, may small transaction fee around 100 to 200 pesos. Depende kung saan ATM ka mag-withdraw. From my experience, pinakamura sa Vietcom Bank. And better to withdraw enough for your trip. First stop natin for today, coffee time. Nandito kami ngayon sa Catinat in District 1 para sa famous coconut coffee. It's only 49,000 Vietnamese dong and that's around 110 pesos. Look at this coconut coffee. Masarap, creamy, and refreshing. After coffee, lakad-lakad muna kami. Magkakalapit lang lahat ng tourist spots dito. First is the Central Post Office. Pagkapasok mo sa Central Post Office, marami ka lang mabibiling mga souvenirs and postcards dito. And pwede mo itong ipadala into your home country. Next, Notre Dame Cathedral. Katapat lang ito ng Central Post Office. Next is Book Street. Ang cute dito. Marami kang workshop na pwedeng gawin. Maraming books na pwedeng bilhin. Pwedeng tambayan ng mga bench. At may mga free coffee or tea din. Siyempre, as a titang ina, hindi natin makakalimutan bumili ng storybooks para kay Sophia Liz. And also, the Diamond Plaza. May pet design sila ngayon, so perfect pang photos. Next stop natin, War Remnants Museum. Hindi lang pwedeng mag-video sa loob, so hindi ako nakakuha ng mga clips. Okay guys, lunchtime na. Nandito kami ngayon sa Quan Nem sa District 1. Sikat to for Buncha. Dito raw kumain pati mga Hollywood stars and even Obama. Good timing kasi 11 a.m. pa lang. Pag 12 to 1 p.m. sobrang punuan na daw dito. After lunch, nag-tea naman kami. Nandito kami sa Ngang Cafe, yung branch sa District 3. Kasi ito yung library style cafe. Perfect spot for tea and chill. Very aesthetic and super cozy ng vibe dito. Ang order namin, lychee tea with jelly and chocolate croissant. This is only 180 pesos. Sulit na sulit, di ba? Next up, lakad-lakad ulit tayo from People's Committee Building to Saigon Opera House. And syempre, the walking street. Bandang 2:30 p.m., pumunta na kami sa coffee apartment at dito ang daming cafe choices. And now, pauwi na kami ng Binjong, long day, pero sobrang sulit. Ang dami nakitang places, sobrang daming coffee, tea, at sobrang sarap ng food. That's it for day 2 in Ho Chi Minh City. See you guys sa next vlog!